Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to insert SIM card into Redmi Note 14 5G. SIM card tray is located on the bottom side of the phone. Take the SIM eject tool that came in the box and gently insert it into the small hole in the SIM tray. Press carefully until the tray pops out, and now use your fingernails to gently pull the SIM tray out of the phone. Inside the SIM tray there is SIM 1 and SIM 2 slot with combination with SD card slot. This is dual SIM phone, so there are two SIM card slots. Now make sure that SIM card contacts are facing up and the cut corner is in correct position. So put the SIM card there in this way, like this. Now carefully slide the SIM card tray back into the phone. And that's all. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, thumbs up. And for more videos like this, consider subscribing. Bye.